Hey, it's LSF here today. Welcome back to the channel. In our last video, we talked about the massive recall affecting over 1 million Toyota, Lexus, and Subaru vehicles due to a failing backup camera. Today, we have the official documents from the NHTSA, and that gives us a much cleaner picture of exactly what is going wrong, which specific models are most affected, and where they are built. First, let's look at why this is happening and how long Toyota has known about it. According to the Non-Compliance Information Report, this investigation has actually been going on for over a year and a half. April 2024 to December 2024, Toyota first started bench testing after receiving field reports in Japan. They were investigating standard Japan spec software when they discovered these bugs could also affect global spec vehicles, like ours in North America. December 2024 to October 2025, they moved from bench testing to actual vehicle testing to confirm if these rare conditions could happen to real customers in the real world. And then on October 24th, 2025, Toyota officially determines that yes, this is a safety defect and decided to issue the recall. So what exactly did they find during all this testing? There is two distinctive failure modes. So the first failure mode, the camera freezes. This happens under a very specific set of circumstances if you turn on your car and shift into reverse quickly, specifically between 0.7 to 2.6 seconds after ignition, and the vehicle detects speed during the first image frame process, the system will get overwhelmed. And the result? The rear image can freeze up to 1.8 seconds. That might not sound like much, but when you're backing up, 2 seconds is too long to be blind. The second failure mode is the blank screen. This one is even trickier. It has to do with how the parking assist ECU saves data. Within the first 12.5 seconds of turning on your car, the system randomly performs two tiny data writing processes, each lasting just 23 milliseconds, to align the camera optically. And if you happen to turn the car off during precisely one of those 23 millisecond windows, the data gets corrupted. And then the next time when you start the car, the camera won't display at all because that alignment data is abnormal. Toyota has determined virtually 100% of the recall vehicles have the software containing this logic error. We also got our hands on the official letters sent directly to Lexus and Toyota dealerships in the US, and they contain some critical new information as well. First, there is a stop sale order. Dealers cannot legally sell any new vehicles currently on their lots that is affected by this recall until it's fixed. So right now there's approximately 4,700 Lexus vehicles and 2,190 Toyota vehicles. They're stuck on dealers' inventory and cannot be delivered to new owners. So definitely it's their interest to get this software updated as soon as possible. But what if you already own one? The dealer's document actually provides interim advice on how to avoid triggering this glitch while you wait for the software update. Toyota and Lexus officially recommends two things. First one is to avoid the camera freeze. After you turn on the ignition, wait at least 2 seconds before shifting into reverse. Give the system a moment to boot up completely. The second advice is to avoid that black screen. Do not turn your vehicle on and off quickly. If you turn the car off, wait at least 3 seconds before turning it back on again. Doing it too fast can corrupt the data we talked about earlier and cause the black screen on your next startup. Obviously, they also added, do not overly rely on the system. Always check your surroundings. Lexus has nearly 500,000 vehicles in this recall, roughly 487,000 in total. The RX and the NX are the most heavily impacted. And it doesn't matter where it's produced, US, Canada, or Japan, because it's a software issue, not a mechanical or hardware issue. We're going to start off with the Lexus ES. 2023 to 2025 model year, and you can see here total 35,075 vehicles built in USA from September 14th, 2022 to October 1st, 2025. Next, we move to the GX 2024 to 2025 model year, and we're talking about 42,034 vehicles built in Japan from May 31st, 2023 to June 4th, 2025. Next upcoming is the LC 2024 to 2025 model year, totaling 2,646 vehicles made in Japan from May 15th, 2023 to January 10th, 2025. Next, we have the LS 2023 to 2025 model year, totaling 3,614 vehicles made in Japan from June 17th, 2022 to September 15th, 2025. Next up is the LX 2022 to 2025, totaling 23,274 vehicles made in Japan from July 30th, 2021 to August 7th, 2025. Next, we have the NX from 2022 to 2025, 77,994, so almost 78,000 vehicles from Japan and Canada, April 7th, 2021 to August 7th, 2025. Next up, we have the RX model year 2023 to 2026, totaling 212,911. That's a lot of vehicles built in Japan and Canada from November 1st, 2022 to September 26th, 2025. Next, we have the electric RZ 2023 to 2025, totaling 16,490 vehicles produced in Japan from October 18th, 2022 to April 7th, 2025. We have the TX 2024 to 2026 model year, totaling 72,841 vehicles made in USA from September 20th, 2023 to October 2nd, 2025. Next, we have 20,096 Subaru Solterra 2023 to 2025 model year, built by Toyota in Japan from March 29th, 2022 to June 2nd, 2025. Follow me on Instagram at LSFT Videos. You can see updates on my experience with the NX450H Plus, which may not be shown on any future videos. You can reach out to me via direct messaging if you have any questions on your Lexus. If you like this video, you can provide me feedback in the comments below, like this video, share it with your friends. This definitely will help with the YouTube algorithms. Press the subscribe button and bell icon and get notified when new videos show up. And lastly, if you want to support me further, you can provide me a super thanks, or visit my Amazon storefront before you purchase anything from Amazon, or you can purchase products from the list on the items that I've been using with my vehicle or at home at no extra cost to you. And now, let's continue with the video. So looking at Toyota has 517,432 vehicles. When you compare that with Lexus has 480,000, almost 487,000, right? So the numbers seem to be very close. But Toyota sells a lot more cars. The reason for that? The recall is on the panoramic view monitor. It's typically standard on the higher trims like the LS, LC. Those typically will have it fully as equipped. So all the cars that are sold include it. But in Toyota, it's only the top trim that actually gets the panoramic view monitor. And that's why the ratio of Lexus getting this recall more than their Toyota counterparts. And let's start off with the BZ4X 2023 to 2025 model year, 13,616 vehicles recalled, made in Japan, October 29, 2021 to June 11, 2025. Next, we have the Camry, made in USA, 2025 to 2026 model year, 37,383 vehicles, made in April 15, 2024 to October 2nd, 2025. Next, we have the 2023 to 2026 Crown, 15,508 vehicles, made in Japan from May 30th, 2022 to April 4th, 2025. Next, we have the Crown Signia, 13,752, 2025 model year, made in Japan from November 13th, 2023 to August 7th, 2025. Next, we have the Toyota Grand Highlander 2024 to 2026 model year, 123,064 vehicles. That's a lot. Made in US from June 13th, 2023 to September 17th, 2025. Next, we have the smaller cousin, the Toyota Highlander 2023 to 2025, 83,638 vehicles made in US from October 7th, 2022 to October 7th, 2025. Next, we have the Land Cruiser 2024 to 2025, made in Japan, 39,786 vehicles from November 29th, 2023 to June 10th, 2025. Next is the Fuel Cell Mirai 2023 to 2025, only 2,791 vehicles made in Japan from September 26, 2022 to September 1st, 2025. Next up is the Prius and the Prius Prime 2023 to 2025. It totals 19,102 cars. So you can see the breakdown for the Prius and the Prime, made in Japan from October 12, 2022 to July 1st, 2025. Next up is Toyota's best-selling vehicle, the RAV4 and the RAV4 Prime 2023 to 2025, made in Japan and Canada, 129,262 vehicles from June 17th, 2022 to October 9th, 2025. Next, we have the Toyota Sienna 2025 model year, made in USA, 12,744 from October 8th, 2024 to September 17th, 2025. And last is the Toyota Venza that's discontinued, 2023 to 2024 model year, 26,786, made in Japan, October 4th, 2022 to August 28th, 2024. Finally, a bit of potential good news on the timeline. While the original press release said owners would get notification by late December, these new dealer documents estimate that the actual software remedy could be available as early as sometime in November. So the fix might be ready at the dealer before you even get the official letter in the mail. Keep an eye on your Lexus or Toyota app. The recall should already be visible if your VIN is affected. And you can see that we have recall numbers 25TB13 or 25TA13 for Toyota, for Lexus 25LB06 or 25LA06. Subaru owners have a WRE25. Thanks for watching, and let me know in comments below if you've experienced any of this 2-second freeze yourself. I hope that you found that this video was informative, and until next video, drive safely. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please comment, like, share this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get notified when new videos are posted. And if you'd like to support this channel, you can provide me a super thanks. And until next time, cheers.